If you'd like to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. First thing first, launch your Binance. Once you do so, get logged into your account and then search for USDT. Here you will see USDT, tap on this deposit button. And here select TRON. Then you have to simply copy the deposit address. Once you do so, you have to launch your Tonkeeper application. Get logged into account, you'll see a page like this. Here, tap on Send button at the very first menu bar. And lastly, simply paste the address that you copied from Binance. Once you do so, enter your amount. If you would like to add a comment for your specific reason, you may go ahead and do so. Then tap on Continue. Confirm your actions, and just like so, there you have it. Thank you all for watching, guys. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.